Now let us start exercise 9.3 exercise which is on the page number 146 of your textbook. Now question number 1, carry out the multiplication of the expression in each of the following pair. Now here the various pairs are given and we have to carry out the multiplication of such pair. Now 4 times p comma q plus r. So you have to multiply this pair. So 4 times p multiplied by q plus r. The 4 times p when multiplied by q, write down in this way. Then 4 times p multiplied by r. The 4 times plus, this sign will be as it is, 4 times p multiplied by r. While multiplying it will become 4pq and it will become 4pr. So answer is 4pq plus 4pr. Now the next one is ab and a minus b given. So we have to multiply ab with a minus b. So ab, write down the second expression in bracket a minus b. Then you have to multiply both the term with ab. So ab multiplied by a, ab into a gives a square b, minus ab multiplied by b, that is ab into b, that is a b square. B into b gives b square. Then the next one is a plus b comma a 7a square b square. Means you have to multiply 7a square b square with two term of first expression, that is a plus b. When you will multiply 7a square b square with a, that is a into 7a square b square gives 7a cube b square. Then 7a square b square multiplied by b gives 7a square b cube. B cube how? That is b square into b become b cube. Then a square 9 4a. So you have to multiply 4a with a square minus 9. So when you will multiply 4a with a square, so it will become, that is a square into 4a will become 4a cube. And when you multiply 4a with 9, so 4 9s are 36, so it will become 36a. Now the last one is pq plus qr plus rp comma 0. pq plus qr plus rp 0. Whenever any expression multiplied with 0, means any number, whenever any number multiplied by 0, you will always get 0 only. So when it is multiplied with 0, you will get your answer as 0 only. So let us multiply 5xy with x plus y minus 5. So when you will multiply 5xy with this, you have to multiply each term of first expression. That is 5xy multiplied by x, that is x into 5xy. Then 5xy multiplied by y, that is write down plus over here, that is y into 5xy. Then that is negative 5, that is negative 5 multiplied by 5xy. So when you will do such, you will get 5x into x is x square y. Then 5x y into y is y square. Then negative into positive is negative, 5 5s are 25xy. Now let us see next one, that is first expression is p, second expression is 6p square minus 7p plus 5. So let us multiply p with each term of second expression, that is p into 6p square gives 6, p into p square is p cube, then p into 7p, that is here negative is there, so put negative sign. So p into 7p gives a 7p square. Then positive, write down p into 5, that is p5. So this is we got our answer. Next one is 4p square q square multiplied by p square minus q square. So when you will multiply 4p square q square with p square, that is it will become 4p square into p square gives p raised to 4 q square. Then when you will multiply 4p square q square with negative q square, that is you have to put this negative sign over here. You are multiplying 4p square q square with q square. So when you will do such, so you will get 4p square q square into square q square is q raised to 4. Then the next one is a plus b plus c multiplied by abc. So you have to multiply each term with abc. So a multiplied by abc, that is a square bc. Then b multiplied by abc, that is a b square c. Then c multiplied by abc, that is ab c square. Let us start question number 3rd. Find the product. Now we have to find the product of a square into 2a raised to 22 into 4a raised to 26. Now here how we'll do, we'll try to separate all the variable in one bracket, that is a square into a raised to 22 into a raised to 26. Then the coefficient in another bracket, that is 1 2 into 4. Now here we just need to add the power. Whenever the variable in multiple form, we need to add the power. The 2 in plus 22 is 24, 24 plus 26 is 50, that is a raised to 50. And here you have to multiply the coefficient, that is 1 into 2 into 4, that is 8. So your answer will be, when you will multiply 8 with a raised to 50, you will get 8a raised to 50. Let us see the next one. 2 by 3 xy multiplied by negative 9 by 10 x square y square. The same way, separate the coefficient in one bracket, that is 2 by 3 into negative 9 by 10 in one bracket, and the variable in the another bracket, that is xy into x square y square. Now if cancellation is possible, you can do the cancellation, that is 3 3s are 9 and 2 5s are 10, that is here negative 3 by 5 left, and here xy into x square y square gives x cube y cube. So your answer will be negative 3 by 5 x cube y cube. Now let us see the next one. Negative 10 by 3 p cube cube into 6 by 5 p cube cube. The separate the coefficient in one bracket, that is negative 10 by 3 into 6 by 5 multiply by 5 p cube cube into p cube cube. So do cancellation if possible, that is 5 2s are 10 and 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, that is negative 4, and p into p cube is p4 and q cube into q is q4. So your answer will be negative 4 p4 q4. Now the next one, fourth one, x into x square into x cube into x4. So write down this x one time and add the power. You consider its power as a 1, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 gives 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, so x is to 10. Let us see question number 4. Simplify 3x in bracket 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find its value for x equals to 3, x equals to 1 by 2. Now dear student, first we have to solve this equation, then we have to substitute the value of x, that is 3, in place of x, and we have to find the result. Now first we will try to solve this equation, that is let us see, that is 3x in bracket multiplied by 4x minus 5 plus 3. So when we will solve, when we will resolve the bracket, 3 4s are 12, x into x, x square, 3 5s are 15, that is positive into negative is negative, x plus 3 as it is. Then from here we try to substitute the value of x with 3. So in place of x you write down 3. So in place of x write down 3. Then 12 as it is, square of 3, that is 9, and 15 3s are 45 plus 3. Now 12 9s are 108 minus 45 plus 3. So 108 plus 3 is 111 minus 45 gives 66. Now the next one. Dear student, here if you want, you no need to solve this equation again. You can substitute the value of x, that is 1 by 2, in this solved equation itself. Here I had solved this equation again. I had resolved this bracket, that is 12 3 4s are 12, x into x, x square, 3x into 5, that is 3 5s are 15, that is negative 15 x plus 3. Now in place of x you put 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 in place of x, 1 by 2 in place of x, other sign and value will remain as it is. Now make a square of 1 by 2, that is 1 upon 4, and 1 by 2 as it is. Now if cancellation is possible, you do cancellation, that is 4 3s are 12, that is 3 minus 15 upon 2 plus 3. Positive 3 and positive 3 gives 6. Minus 15 by 2. Find LCM, that is 2 only. 2 6 are 12 minus 15 upon 2, that is minus 12, 12 minus 15 gives negative 3 by 2. Only question number 4, B. Sub question number B, simplify a in bracket a square plus a plus 1 plus 5 and find its value for a equals to 0, a equals to 1 and a equals to negative 1. First we will try to resolve this bracket, we will try to solve this equation, then one by one we have to substitute the value of a with 0, 1 and negative 1. So let us solve this equation first, that is a into a square gives a cube, a into a give a square, a into 1 give a plus 5 as it is. Then try to substitute the value of a. In place of a write down 0. So in place of a write down 0, 0, 0. Then the cube of 0 is 0 only, square of 0 is 0 only, 0 only, plus 5, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 gives 5 only. Now next one, again use all this value, a into a square give a cube, a into a square, a into 1 a plus 5. Now in place of a you substitute the second one, that is a equals to 1. So in place of a write down 1, 1, 1 plus 5, cube of 1 is 1, square of 1 is 1, 1 plus 5. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 gives 8. Then a in bracket a square plus a plus 1 plus 5. So a into a square is a cube, a into a is a square, a into 1 is a plus 5. So now in place of a you have to substitute this value, that is a equals to negative 1. So in place of a write down negative 1, in place of a negative 1, negative 1. Now cube of negative 1 is negative 1 only, square of negative 1 will become positive, and here negative 1 itself and plus 5. Positive and negative 1 will get cancelled, that is now negative 1 and 5 left. So 5 minus 1 gives 4. See question number 5. Sub question number A, add p in bracket p minus q, comma q in bracket q minus r and r in bracket r minus p. So we have to add all this. So first we have to resolve this bracket, we have to solve this bracket, that is p in bracket p minus q gives p into p is p square, p into negative q is pq, negative pq. Then q into q is q square and q into negative r is negative qr, plus r into r is r square, r into negative p is negative rp. Then try to rearrange. It's very simple, that is p square, q square and r square, and see if any cancellation is possible. Here it is not possible, so just rearrange, or if you are not rearranging the value then also it's okay. Negative pq, negative qr, negative rp. Now the next one, 2x in bracket z minus x minus y and 2y z minus y minus x. We have to add both the value. So first we have to resolve the bracket, that is 2x into z is 2xz minus 2x into x is minus 2x square, then 2x into negative y is negative 2xy, then plus 2yz, 2y into z gives 2yz, then 2y into negative y gives negative 2y square, and 2y into negative x gives negative 2xy. Then what you need to do is just rearrange negative 2x square, negative 2y square. Then dear student, here negative x 2xy and negative 2xy, negative and negative you have to add. So we are not multiplying, we are adding. So negative plus negative is negative 4x, means negative 2 plus negative 2 gives negative 4xy. Don't make x square and y square, we are not multiplying, we are adding. Then 2yz and 2xz, whatever is that. Now in the next question we have to subtract 3 times L in bracket L minus 4m plus 5n from 4 times L in bracket 10n minus 3m plus 2L. Now first we have to solve this bracket, because from this we have to subtract this value. So write down this value first, minus this value over here. Then try to resolve the bracket, that is 4 times L into 10 times n gives 4 times 40 and L. Then 4 times L minus 3 times m, that is 4 3 is negative, 4 3 is 12, 4 3 is 12, that is negative 12 ml. Then 4 times L multiplied by positive 2 times L, that is 4 2 is 8, L into L gives L square. Then minus 3L into L, that is negative 3L square. Then minus 3L into minus 4m, that is 3 4s are 12, minus into minus will get plus, that is 3 4s are 12 ml. Then minus 3L into positive 5n, that is positive, negative into positive gives negative, that is 3 5s are 15 NL. Then see if any number with a common variable, that is 4 NL. Here I am getting 40 NL, sorry, 40 NL and 15 NL. Means positive 40 NL and negative 15 NL. The positive in minus negative, 40 minus 15 gives 25 NL. Then here negative and positive, that is negative 12 ml and positive 12 ml will get cancelled. Now after that 8L square minus 3L square. So 8L square minus 3L square will give 5L square. The positive 5L square. Now in that only the last sum is subtract 3 times a in bracket a plus b plus c, then minus 2 times b in bracket a minus b plus c from 4 times c in bracket minus a plus b plus c. Now dear student, we have to subtract this both the expression from this expression. So we have to write this expression first. So that is 4c in bracket minus a plus b plus c. Then from this expression, third expression, we have to subtract this both expression. That is, so you have to put subtraction sign. That is 3a in bracket a plus b plus c minus 2b in bracket a minus b plus c. Then resolve the bracket. Solve the bracket first. So 4c into negative a gives negative 4ac. Then 4c into b gives positive 4bc. Then plus 4c into c gives 4c square. Then put the sign as it is. First you resolve this bracket, solve this bracket first. So 3a into a gives 3a square, 3a into b gives 3ab and 3a into c gives 3ac. Then negative into positive, that is negative 2b into a gives negative 2ab. Then negative into negative, that is positive, that is 2b into b gives 2b square. Then 2b into c gives 2bc, that is negative into positive is negative. Then open the bracket. So here there will be a no change in sign, that is as it is here to write negative 4ac, positive 4bc, positive 4c square. Then while opening this bracket, all sign will get changed. There is a positive will become negative, positive will become negative, positive will become negative, negative will become positive, positive will become negative, negative will become positive. After opening the bracket, now try to find the number with common variable, that is negative 4ac. Write down over here. Here see whether it is a negative 3ac. So write down together. Then 4bc. So find it pair. Another pair is a 2bc. So write it together. Then negative 3ab and positive 2ab. Write it together. Then 4c square minus 3a square minus 2b square. Then minus and minus you have to add. So minus 4ac and minus 3ac gives 7ac. Then plus and plus you have to add, that is 4bc plus 2bc is 6bc. Then minus and plus, that is minus 3ab and plus 2ab. Then minus plus minus only, the minus ab, because here value of greater, sign with greater value. Now whatever is left, that is minus 3a square minus 2b square and plus 4ac you can write. Now you can rearrange all the value. Write down, you can write negative 3a square, negative 2b square and positive 4ac first. Then a minus ab plus 6bc and minus 7ac at the end. This is how. If you are not rearranging, then also it's okay, your answer will be correct only.